Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 3. We'll present our material about research materials and methods. And there are 8 parts that we will discuss today. The first is what is research materials and methods? And after that, we will move to the exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and exercise 4. After that, we will open question session and then quiz. And the last is game. Okay, but before we go to the material explanation, let's see the members of Group 3. The first is Aulizanisti Putri Ardini as the first speaker, Azhari Wahyu Hidayat as the second speaker, Alia Fitrida Kamila as the third speaker, Busra Aulia as the fourth speaker, and the last one is me, by Diana Safitri, as the fifth speaker. Well, for the part 1, it will be explained by Aulizanisti Putri Ardini. Time is yours.
Hi, my name is Aulizanisti Putri Ardini. I'm here to explain the introduction. Okay, here I will explain what research materials and methods. But first I will explain what are the research material and methods in vocabulary and corpus. The materials and methods section is a section in the scientific article containing the experimental design of study. Next, I will explain what are the materials and methods in general. The materials and methods outline what to do and how to do. There should be no details so that other people can repeat your lesson. It should be organized in a logical way, that is, keep related ideas together and write them chronologically where possible. This section should be written in paragraph form, so you must enter the material in a logical and or chronological order of use.
Okay, next, we will move to the exercise 1. It will be explained by Azhari Wahyu Hidayat. Time is yours.
Hello everyone, my name is Azhar Hidayat and I will explain the first exercise in Unit 3. The instruction is insert the words below into the spaces. And these are the words as you guys can see in the PowerPoint. I will explain 3 numbers from exercise 1. The first one is number 4. The sentence is the blah 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 by using a Beckman XRZ verse 2.1. And the answer is data were obtained. So the full sentence is the data were obtained by using a Beckman XRZ verse 2.1. So in this number, data were obtained mean data didapatkan. It's kind of passive voice, that's why after to be it uses past participle. The second one is number 7. The sentence is this machine blah 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 the latest technological advances, and the answer is made up of. So the full sentence is this machine is made up of the latest technological advances. In this number 7, is made up of mean dibuat dengan atau dibuat menggunakan. It's also kind of passive voice, and the full sentence in bahasa is mesin ini dibuat menggunakan kemajuan teknologi terkini. And the third one is number 8. The sentence is it has a blah 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 support mechanism. And the answer is tailored. So the full sentence is it has a tailored support mechanism. And the word tailored in this number 8 mean disesuaikan. The word tailored here as an adverb to explain the support mechanism. So the full sentence in bahasa is benda itu memiliki mekanisme pendukung yang disesuaikan. Thank you.
Okay, for exercise 2, it will be explained by Alia Fitrida Kamila. Time is yours.
Hi, I'm Alia Fitrida Kamila from class 2A and I will explain about exercise 2. This exercise have the same instruction as the previous exercise. There are also 10 words as well. I will explain 3 numbers from it. Number 1. The criteria for a blank the subjects to participate in the survey were the word selecting is the right answer. If there is a criteria means that there is condition that have to be done. The word selecting means to choose someone or people who match the existing criteria or conditions. In the simple terms, if there is criteria, there must be a selection. Number 2. By blank the amount of liquid to the minimum, the mixture becomes more solid. The word reduce is the right answer. The word minimum is the key here. Reduce means to bring down the size, quantity, quality, value, or intensity of something. The sentence here is talking about to bring down the quantity to the minimum so the mixture becomes more solid. Number 3. Generally blank. Our results show that bankers have no social conscience. The word speaking is the right answer. Generally speaking is a common phrase used to describe something usually true. In this case, the sentence talks about result, which means that bankers have no social conscience is a fact or a true statement.
Well, for the third exercise, it will be explained by Busra Aulia. Time is yours.
Hello, my name is Busralia and I will explain some examples using some vocabulary on the screen. So, moving to exercise 3 number 1. The blah 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 of their method have been clearly recognized. And the answer is weakness. Weakness is noun that mean a quality or feature regarded as a disadvantage or fault. Or in bahasa is kelemahan or kekurangan. So its meaning is a weakness for the method they have used they have clearly recognized. Next, number 2. A serious blah 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 with this argument, however, is that speculative. In the sentence, speculative is an adjective that has meaning based on conjecture rather than knowledge. In bahasa mean bersifat dugaan or yang tidak berdasarkan kenyataan atau pengetahuan. So, the whole meaning of this sentence is a serious argument based on speculation. The last, number 4, the experiments were blah 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 by the fact that they were almost impossible to replicate. So complicated is an adjective that has meaning consisting of many interconnecting parts or element, intricate. Or in bahasa is rumit or sulit. So the meaning of this sentence is that the experiments they are conducting are complicated based on fact that they are nearly impossible to replicate.
Okay, and for the last exercise will be explained by myself, by Diana Safitri. So, the instruction of exercise 4 is insert the words below into the spaces. And these are the words of exercise 4 as you can see on the slide. And I will explain 3 numbers of exercise 4. The first is number 1. And the sentence is, it can be stated that these experiments have provided blah 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 of an autonomic link up of the limbic area. And the answer is incredible breakthrough. In this number, incredible breakthrough means terobosan yang luar biasa. And the second one is number 2. The sentence is major changes in the business processes and the organizational models are, of course, blah blah blah, for drastic decision regarding the information system used by the organization. And the answer is very exciting preposition. In this number, very exciting preposition means preposisi yang sangat menarik. Okay, and the third one is number 5. And the sentence is, these observations provide blah 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 that a massive black hole exists at the center of NGC 4258. And the answer is compelling evidence. In this number, compelling evidence means bukti yang meyakinkan. Okay, that's all for the material explanation from Group 3. Next, we will open a question session. So if you have question, you can turn on your mic or raise your hand or write your question in chat column. Okay, we will move to the next part. It's a quiz, but before we start it, I will explain the rules. For this quiz, you only have to make one sentence with the word on the slide. And if you know the answer, you can turn on your mic and say your name. Okay, let's start with the first one. And this is the second one. Well, this is the last one. Okay, thank you everyone. Now let's move to the last part. It's a game. Okay, same as the quiz, I will explain the rules first. So there are 5 questions with 2 types of questions. You only have to compose the letters to be the perfect word and find the missing letters to make the word perfect. And if you know the answer, you can turn on your mic and say your name. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, and this is the second one. This is the third one. Okay, this is the fourth. And this is the last one. Okay, thank you everyone for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.